Hello students, welcome back. This is chapter quadrilateral from ninth grade, sixth question from 8.1 exercise. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A. Show that these two. So given AB equal to CD and AB parallel CD, because ABCD is a parallelogram, AD equal to BC and AD parallel BC, and DAC is equal to BAC. Reason is ABCD bisect here AC. AC bisect angle A. Bisect angle A, that's the reason of DAC equal to BAC. So let us start the solution. In triangle ADC and CBA. Solution in triangle ADC and triangle CBA. CBA, we know AD equal to CB. AD equal to CB and DC equal to AB and AC is equal to AC, common of both of the triangle. This is opposite side of parallelogram. So by SSS criteria we will get it as congruent. SSS criteria, triangle ADC congruent CBA. ADC congruent CBA. So if it is congruent, we know at CPCT you will get it angle DCA is equal to angle BCA. So AC bisect. So AC bisect angle C. Hence the first answer. So we know here it's we need to prove it's a rhombus. So here this is AB parallel DC. So we can give angle 1, 2, 3, 4. So for getting the second answer, it's a parallelogram. So we know AB parallel CD. So angle 1 is equal to 4 and angle 2 is equal to 3. That means we know that angle 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4. So all angles now we will get 1 is equal to 4, 4 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 2, means every angles are equal. So let us write angle 2 is equal to 4. From the above, 2 is equal to 4 means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we will get AB is equal to BC. If AB is equal to BC, then all sides will be equal now. So hence we get AB. From above we will get AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. So ABCD form rhombus. Hence the answer. Okay, this is the seventh problem. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C and diagonal BD. We have to prove. So here first we know the figure is a given ABCD is a rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal. So and opposite sides are parallel also. So AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD and parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. So for solution we know as AB equal to BC. So we will get triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So you will get angle 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, AD equal to DC. So ADC is an isosceles triangle. You will get angle 1 is equal to angle 3. And we know it's parallel. AB parallel CD and AD parallel BC. So we know it's alternate interior angle. Angle 1 is equal to 4 and angle 2 is equal to 3. Now from the above these four equations, angle 2 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 4, 1 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 4 and 2 is equal to 3 means all angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to 3, 2, 4 all are equal. That means you can write angle 1 is equal to 2 and angle 3 is equal to 4. That means AC bisect angle A as well as angle D. That is AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. So similarly you can prove it. BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Hence the proof. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. Show that ABCD is a square. So it's a right angle, that means every angles are 90 degree. So we want to prove it, every sides are equal. So first given ABCD is a rectangle. That means all angles are 90 and our opposite sides are equal and parallel. So, and AC bisect angle A as well as angle C means this both will be same and this is also will be equal. And we know alternate interior angles are there, that's also will be equal. So same like sixth problem, we will get this BAC is equal to ACB. Okay, BAC is equal to ACB. So let us write here angle 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4 first. So for getting solution, that's given. Okay, angle 1 is equal to 2, angle 3 is equal to 4. Reason is AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. So if 1 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 4, at the same time angle 3 is equal to 2 and angle 4 is equal to 1. Reason alternate interior angle. So now we got 2 and all angles are equal. So that means we get from above angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So this equal angles opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to BC. Reason equal angles opposite sides are equal. It's from, or you can write when you get 2 is equal to 4 triangle, ABC is an isosceles triangle. So AB equal to BC, that means if AB equal to BC, same like similarly AD equal to DC also will get. So from the above you will get all sides. Similarly you will get AD is equal to AD equal to DC. So let us write AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Hence ABCD forms square. That is the first answer. Then second one is diagonal BD bisect as well as and B as well as D. So same like that you can consider triangle just for second answer. Triangle ABD and triangle DC. ABD and you can write CBD. Triangle CBD. We will get it ABD and CBD. You will get AB is equal to BC because it's the sides of the square. Then CD equal to AD. Then BD is equal to BD. Common. Then SSS criteria triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD. So CPCT you will get it these angles. Okay, you can name it 5, 6 and 7, 8. So angle 5 is equal to 6 and 7 is equal to 8. So hence what is BD? Bisect angle B as well as angle D. Hence the answer.